Hello, my name is Stephanie Morins. I am a registered nurse on the orthopedic unit at Mary Immaculate Hospital. We do total hip and knee arthroplasties, shoulder replacements, spinal fusions. Since COVID, though, we haven't been spending much time on our unit. We do a lot of floating because our surgeries have moved to same days. So patients go home that same day. They may come to the floor for a few hours for antibiotics or therapy, and then they go home right after. So by the time I come on at 7, there's only like a handful of patients. So we've been spending a lot of our time on the cohort, which is where they keep the COVID patients on telemetry, which can be a little scary, but we got to do what we got to do. I know that they're more afraid than I am. This time has been really crazy and unexpected. But I am married. I've been married 4 years. I have 2 children. One is 14 and one is 2. They're great boys. That's what I love to do. They are my hobbies. That is what I do when I am not at work or doing school. I'm the middle child of 3 girls. My little sister just had a baby in August, so that was exciting as well. It's just sad with the timing and where I work. I'm not able to see her and love on her the way I would like to, but it's for her safety, so it's okay. Very nervous about this semester. Even though it's the last semester, I'm nervous because I have synthesis, research, and informatics all in the same semester. I don't know where this schedule necessarily came from, but I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm just wishing all of us the best. If I can be of help to anyone, let me know, because I know I definitely need it. All right. Thank you.